Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, Verify System Protection is enabled on your Windows 10 or 11 system drive. Sign in with an administrator account to make changes. Check available disk space and set a maximum of 5% for restore points to conserve storage. Close open applications before creating a restore point to avoid inconsistent files. Ensure important files are backed up separately, because System Restore affects system files, not personal documents. These steps reduce errors and speed up the restore creation process. Open Start, type Create a Restore Point, and select System Properties from Results. Select the system drive, then click Configure and ensure system protection is on. Click Create and enter a name like 2025-11-22 Update before installing updates. Wait for the operation to complete. Most machines finish in about 1 to 5 minutes. You will see a confirmation message stating the restore point was created successfully. Keep multiple restore points only as needed to save disk space. To restore, open System Properties, click System Restore, and choose a restore point. Follow on-screen prompts to restart and apply changes automatically. The process can take 10 to 30 minutes. Manage disk usage under Configure to delete older restore points and free space when needed. Create restore points strategically before driver installs, major updates, or new software to ensure recovery options. After a successful restore, verify system stability and reinstall any necessary updates or apps that were removed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.